Hi, I'm Aqua with WTI.
Let's be honest, some days you just need to work from bed. And this is the perfect bed tray for your laptop. This is a bed tray and laptop desk by Nnewvante. It's made of a really beautiful bamboo, and they've thought of everything. They have a place for your phone, a little spot for your mouse. One thing I think is really nice as well, that is it tilts up, so you can have your laptop tilted. So this makes working from bed really easy and really comfortable. Another favorite feature is it has a secret little door on the side, so no more hunting for the remote. The tilt can also be adjusted, so if you need it to be higher or lower, it definitely can be fit to whatever feels comfortable for you. What's really amazing about this little bed tray is that there's so many features to make it customizable to whatever your needs are. I love that it can also be changed in height. I didn't even know that would be possible, but it was really easy to adjust the height of the tray as well. The legs are adjustable up to 11 inches clearance between the bed and the tray, and then in the lowest position, there is about a 7-inch clearance between the bed and the tray. There are also leg locks for you don't have to worry about them moving. This is a really awesome, really quality made product. I was blown away by all the extra features and how it can be customized to whatever is comfortable for you. This is perfect for working from bed, or if you want to surprise someone with breakfast in bed, this tray is perfect for it. I highly recommend, and I definitely check it out.
And that's my point of view.